How to fix Instagram clear search history option not showing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram clear search history option not showing problem. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just switch off your phone. Restart your phone. You have to restart your phone, and then after restarting you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Now after searching for Instagram, you have to check whether your Instagram is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. Now go to your Instagram, scroll down, and then rephrase it. Now go to your profile icon. You can see here 3 days on the top right of your screen. Just click here and then go to settings. Now after going to settings, go to security. After going to security, you can see here clear search history. Just click here and then it is done. So you can see here clear search history. Just click here and then clear history. So this is how you can find your clear search history option on Instagram. Thanks for watching.